Hi gorgeous, I'm Cassidy. I'm so happy that you're here to work on your leg flexibility and your hip mobility. It's gonna feel really good. I'm looking forward to it. Thanks for inspiring me. I appreciate you being here. In my 20 plus years of teaching Pilates, this is one of my favorite exercises. You're gonna want a pillow to support your head. This is ideal for beginners. Let's get to it. Laying down on your right side, checking to see that your head is in line with your shoulders and your pelvis, your hips are stacked and your knees are stacked. You can keep your bottom leg bent for more support, or you can straighten it out, whatever works best for you. The top leg will extend out. You want your foot to be slightly in front of your pelvis. So you'll either keep the bottom leg bent or extend them both out, whatever feels right for you. Your free hand you can use for support, or you can rest it on your waistline for more ab work. Try to keep as much space as you can between your waistline and the mat, working your abs. So you're gonna bring the top leg up without moving the pelvis. Be careful of the pelvis sinking into your waistline. You don't wanna do that. You wanna keep a nice long waist, keep the abs active. You're going to flex your foot, bring the leg front as far as you can without slumping in your spine. So be careful of slumping like this, right? Long spine. Then you're gonna bring the leg up, point the foot to the back, extend the leg up high and back behind you so you feel your glute muscle really fire up and your abs really lifted. You're gonna pass your leg through home base and repeat that. Remembering to breathe. Lots of work for the abs. You should feel your booty burning already. I'm feeling it. Try to keep your head nice and relaxed on your pillow. One more. And then you're gonna rest it down because you're gonna reverse it. So you're gonna bring the leg up, lots of space between your waistline and the mat, point the foot to the back, feel your booty, and then lift the leg and bring it to the front, and then repeating. You wanna try to keep your pelvis as still as possible. You're trying just to move your legs and your hip. That's how you're going to improve your flexibility and your mobility. Booty on fire. 3 more. You got this. Using your breath. 1 more. Nicely done. Okay, let's do the other side. Checking your alignment. You want your head in line with your shoulders and your pelvis, your hips stacked, your knees stacked. Extending both legs or one leg. Using your free hand for support if you want to. Lots of lift in your abs. Bringing the top leg up, flex the foot, bring it front, and then up and back behind you. Feeling your glute really fire up. Using your breath. Lots of ab work. Check to see if you're keeping your spine stable. You don't want your spine to rotate forward like this, right? Lots of lift in the abs. Using your breath. Trying to keep your pelvis still. 1 more this way. And then rest it down. Okay, time to reverse it. Bringing the top leg up, pointing to the back, picking the leg up, flexing to the front, and repeating that. Lots of lift in the abs. Feel the booty work. You're gonna be working your outer thigh as well. Try to keep your head really heavy on the pillow. Booty should be burning. Using your breath. A couple more times here. Last one, you got this. Excellent, nicely done. From here, let's stretch out the glutes. So lay down on your back. Crossing your right knee over your left, pulling into your chest, shifting your knees over to your left. You're gonna feel the stretch in your right glute. That's what you want. Breathing into the stretch, trying to pull your knees in closer to your chest with each exhale. It's always a good idea to stretch out your glutes after you've worked them, because tight glutes can lock up your hips and tight hips can lock up your lower back, and I don't think you want that, right? And then after your last exhale, switching sides, left knee over the right, pulling into your chest, shifting your knees over to your right, feeling the stretch in your left glute. Trying to pull your knees in closer to your chest with each exhale. Excellent. Nicely done. All right, you did it. Sweet. Give yourself some props. Every exercise counts. You did good today. I want you to get the most out of this exercise. So if you have any questions or you're looking for some modifications, leave a comment below. I'm happy to help you. So FYI, this is part 1 of 5. You can access part 2 in the description below or possibly at the end of the video. It will be waiting for you whenever you're ready, and I will meet you there. See you soon. Are you ready for exclusive content, early access to content, and other perks? Join us on Patreon. Click on the link in the description of this post for more. Special shout out to my Vital 7 stars. Thank you for making this video possible.